Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm using 3D Studio Max for several years and I am teaching also. Today I would like to teach you how to make a simple table. Actually, I am making 30 part of this tutorial, and this 30 part I would like to show you how to work in 3D Studio Max and work like a professional. Today I will make a very simple table. First, we have to go to for measurement. We have to go to customize and unit setup. Then US standard, click US standard, then select decimal inch, then press OK. Now we are from create panel. We are taking the box and make a box by dragging in the perspective view, and this is a very big box. Length is very big, so we have to set it smaller. Suppose we have to make the length 30 inches and the width is 24 inches. That means 2 feet, and the height is 1 inch. This is in perspective view. We can extend the view by pressing Alt W. We can pan it by pressing the middle button of the mouse. The table is in the ground level, but we have to rise it up to the upper portion, little bit upper. So we have to press the move button, right click, then move transform will be come, and we can set it 30 inch to the offset world, and it will come to 30 inch rise from the ground level. And we need to put the side box of the table. Now we are copying the box by pressing shift button and drag, then OK. So we have to for putting it to the ground, we have to press right button to the Z and set the length and width. First we have to set the length to 1 inch and height will be 30 inches and width will be 22 inches. Then we have to move the box to little bit left side. Then we have to press T to see from the top panel. Now I am copying it by pressing shift and drag it. Then this is the table now in perspective view. Now I am copying a box by pressing shift and drag and set the size of the box. And I have to rise the box from 16 inch from the ground. Then set the height a little bit smaller. From front panel I can set it manually. Now I have to go to left panel by pressing L. Then we need some drawer in this table. As the table is very simple table, as we do not animate the drawer, that's why we have to make the drawer very simply by two boxes. So we have to copy the box from the left side, then set the size from move panel, then extend the length of the box and height also decreased. Then we have to place the box to the proper place and little bit extend the length, little bit offset to the x-axis. A little bit extend the length also. Now we have to copy the box from z-axis by pressing shift and copying the top panel also by pressing shift and drag and OK. Then we will set the width of the box to 1 inch and offset it by x-axis, then decrease the length little bit, then extend the height little bit. From left panel we are setting the height perfectly. Now this is the table, but we need to put a box in the back side also. Copying the box by pressing shift and drag, then OK, then move it to the lower side and then extend the height manually, and from left panel by pressing L we are setting the height of the box perfectly. Now we need some knobs to the drawer, so we can take some sphere for the knob, as it is not a very perfect and detailed table, as it is a beginner table. That's why we can put some sphere and put it to the right place from the top by moving it by z axis and copy it by pressing today we have made a very simple table for beginners, which is totally a measured table. Its height is 30 inch and length also 30 inch. Today we will not see how to put the material, but we can change the color of the object by selecting and putting from the color panel. Knob also can be changed. We are putting black color to the knob. Let us see how it will be shown when rendered. So we can press quick render by pressing shift Q. Little bit zoom and then Shift Q. This is the table for today. This is how we can modeling. We can do 3D modeling as it is a beginner's modeling. So this was a very simple table. This tutorial is not for the advanced 3D modelers.